For large-scale load tests, Silk Performer allows you to distribute workload to separate load test agent machines. You have three options for assigning agents to your workload. The first option is manual assignment. If you select the static assignment option, you can select which user type will run on which machine. If you select dynamic assignment, Silk Performer assigns workload to agents according to their load generation capabilities. By configuring the agent pool, you define the machines that are dedicated for load testing. You can choose different machines for different projects from the pool. Click Add LAN Agent to find machines on the subnet that can be used as load test agents. All machines that have Silk Performer installed on them will show up in this list. You can also include machines that are not on the subnet by clicking Add WAN Agent. Specify the machine's name or IP address and check connectivity. For each agent in the agent pool, you can maintain a list of capabilities by double-clicking on the agent and switching to the Capabilities tab. The Max Virtual Users column shows the default number of virtual users the agent should run at max, depending on the protocol or technology. Let's allow this machine to be used for web protocol and browser-driven tests only. Let's make this agent available only for SAP GUI tests. Remember that with the Dynamic Agent Assignment option enabled, Silk Performer will automatically distribute the workload according to the agent's capabilities. Now let's define which agents from the agent pool should be used for our current project. Use the Configure Project Agents dialog box to select the agents. Your second option for assigning agents to your workload is to use a Silk Central agent cluster. If you're using Silk Central to manage your test assets, you may also use a predefined list of agents that have been defined in Silk Central as your load test agents. Log into Silk Central and select one of the available agent clusters. Your third option for assigning agents to workload is to use cloud agents. Once you've registered for Silk Performer Cloudburst, you're allowed to use virtual machine instances that are ready to use as load test agents. Log in with your credentials and specify how many virtual users you want to run per agent. Note that this number is heavily dependent on the technology and complexity of the test script you're using. You may want to look up some guidelines in Silk Performer Help, or you can see for yourself how many virtual users you can realistically run on one machine. Now define how many virtual users you want to run from each geographical region. The Cloud Agent Manager tool helps you to launch the required instances with a single click. Wait for the agents to become active. This usually takes between 2 and 5 minutes. And Silk Performer evenly assigns the workload to all available cloud agents. Thanks for watching.